Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start now by making sure your Samsung A05 has at least 20% battery and your finger is clean and dry. This ensures reliable sensor reads. Tap Settings, then Biometrics and Security, and choose Fingerprints. If you don't have a screen lock, set a PIN or pattern. The phone requires one as a backup. Once done, follow on-screen prompts to begin enrollment. This initial opening step both unlocks the fingerprint menu and prepares the sensor for accurate captures. Now enroll your finger. Place the pad of the chosen finger on the rear sensor, press lightly, and lift between scans so the phone captures varied areas. Make sure to rotate the finger slightly each time so edges and different contact points are recorded. Do roughly 10 to 15 placements until the progress bar finishes. If a prompt asks for another angle, comply. This diversity increases success rate. Once the bar completes, you've taught the phone how your finger looks across positions. Finish by testing the new fingerprint 3 times to confirm quick unlock. If recognition is inconsistent, add an alternate finger now. If problems persist, delete the enrolled fingerprint and redo the process. Re-enrollment often fixes capture gaps. Make sure the sensor and your finger are clean, and keep system updates current because firmware can improve reliability. If you still see failures, try registering the same finger twice at different angles. This gives the sensor broader reference data and reduces false negatives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.